Hey guys, how are you doing? Apple have released iOS 18.2 Developer Beta 1 a couple of days ago, and the volume control bar on the music player widget is once again back on the lock screen. I'm not sure why Apple have removed it in the first place, and anyhow, it is going to come back once the iOS 18.2 officially released in a couple of months to all the comparable iPhone and iPad models. Thanks to your Tech Guy 100 on Twitter for sharing this news. Added to this, we will also see one more audio related change that Apple have made with the iOS 18.2. So navigate inside the settings, accessibility, and then go inside audio and visual to access the new toggle setting that is always show volume control. When you have enabled that feature, you will see the volume control bar on the music player widget on lock screen. If it is disabled, then you will not be seeing the volume control bar on the music player widget. You have to manually adjust the volume from the control center or using the volume rockers button on the left side of your iPhone. So here you can see that when the phone is unlocked and when I swipe down from the left top corner, I can access it, but I'm not able to control the volume here. I think it could be a bug being the first iOS 18.2 developer beta, but once the phone is locked, I'm able to access the widget perfectly. So it is good to see that the feature is once again back. I'm not sure why Apple have removed it in the first place. This is a useful feature, and I was submitting product related feedback. It is good to see the essential feature is back once again, and we are all going to start using it once the 18.2 officially rolls out. So this is how you can enable that volume control bar on the music player widget. And the second one is limit maximum volume played on the speaker of your iPhone. When you navigate inside the settings, sounds and haptics, scroll down to the last and you will see the new option under the built-in speaker volume limit. This feature is not seems to be enabled for the headphones and only for the built-in speaker of your iPhone or iPad. So here you can see the volume limit toggle have to be enabled, the limit maximum volume. Once you have configured the maximum limit here, the speaker will not be louder whenever you play any songs or while watching movies. You will not see the sudden volume increase or the speaker is going too loud on what the content that you're trying to play. I think this also applicable to the social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, but this limit maximum volume does not affect the phone calls or FaceTime calls and emergency alerts and ringtones and alarms, including, as you can see below this section, there is a detailed description mentioned by the Apple. So if you prefer to use the limit maximum volume, remember that this feature will be applicable only to the built-in speaker of your iPhone and only for the media content that you are playing from different applications like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus app, and from any other video streaming or any other media content. You don't have to adjust the volume from the control center. But even if you adjust the volume from control center when the limit maximum volume is set to certain percentage, it will override the function and you won't be able to hear the full audio loud volume. You need to again come back to settings, sounds and haptics, and increase the volume up to 90% is the limit that they have provided. Only then you can again adjust the volume in the control center to hear up to the maximum of 90% value or whatever the value that you adjust in this page. I think this will be an useful setting for some people who don't want to, who are not using the headphones frequently and who don't want to see the volume goes all louder all of a sudden when they try to open Instagram or any other application and try to play some video files. So these are the two important audio related changes, volume control related changes that iOS 18.2 is going to bring to your iPhone or iPad. If you find this video useful, don't forget to share this with your friends. You may subscribe to get more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.